Alright, well, I'm back. It's 1:25 and it is still snowing. Looks like the snow's picking up a little bit. Nice steady snow. Kind of quiet on the interstate. You don't hear a whole lot. Of course, the vehicle ain't nobody moving. You see the snow coming down. Well, hello there, ladybug. You going out too? Okay, going out there. It's chilly. It's kind of cold, but it is beautiful. Oh. Ladybug's doing what she's doing again. Yeah, it is beautiful out here. Well, I will go back in the house now, make sure I get nice and warm. Right, Ladybug? And we will send you another video later. Be careful out there.